Hello everyone and welcome. Today's topic is about the art of prompt engineering, and we will be following Google's latest white paper about this topic. And of course, understanding these techniques is crucial to get the best of these AI models. First, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is tuning your inputs, aka prompts, to guide AI models towards getting the wanted responses. Thus, it improves the quality and accuracy of the output, and Google's white paper, authored by Lee Bonstra, emphasizes that while LLMs are good at following instructions, clearer prompts lead to better predictions. The first technique we have is zero-shot prompting. This is the most basic form where you provide no examples to the model. This means that you simply give it the instruction and it will generate a response based on the pre-existing knowledge only gained from the training phase. So for example, here in ChatGPT, I have prompted the model with this question: what is the capital of United Kingdom? And I got the answer or the prediction: the capital of United Kingdom is London. The second technique we have is one-shot and few-shot prompting. These techniques provide the model with one or multiple examples of the desired input-output, and this is within the same prompt. This helps the model to understand how to form the task you are asking for. Here I have prompted the model with this query or this question: translate the following sentences from English to Spanish, and please to. The answer I got is please to, por favor. As you can see, it follows the same structure as our prompt. For the third technique we have system prompt. This is an instruction that sets the overall behavior or persona. It often defines the model role or guidelines before the user actually query or ask a question. And this is like a special query that we first set for the model, and then we will of course ask our question. Here I said to the model, you are an expert athlete and your goal is to provide honest, advised plans and activities for a better overall health. We could see that the memory of the model is updated, and now if I ask anything here in this session, all answers will follow this system. For the fourth technique we have role prompt or role prompting. This is similar to the system prompting, but it is often more specific. We will instruct the model to adapt to a particular persona for its responses, and this can be great for creative writing or specific conversational styles. It means that we will give a role for the model. Here I have prompted the model with act as a wise grandparent, respond to all questions in a serious direct tone, and of course this session will follow this role, which is a wise grandparent. For the fifth type we have context prompting. This provides the AI with relevant background and information, and this is crucial when the AI needs specific details to answer a query effectively. For this type we will provide multiple informations, and based on these details the AI will generate a specific response. Here I have prompted the model with a context where I ask, given the following customer support transcript: the customer first said that the internet is not working. The agent asked him, have you tried restarting your router? Then the customer responded with, yes, I did that, but it's still down. And then I asked the model to summarize the customer current issue and how to fix it. Of course, this is the output I got. For the sixth type we have step back prompting. This is an advanced technique where you encourage the model to think about the problem before attempting to solve it directly. For this type we will ask the model to generate and lay out the basics for a specific task, and then based on these basics we will generate a better solution. Here I have asked my question, which is: if a train travels 120 miles in 2 hours and then another 90 miles in 1 hour, what is its average speed for the entire journey? And then I prompted a specific query, which is: first step back and explain the fundamental principles at play before calculating the solution. So first the model gave us the fundamental concepts, as you can see, the average speed and some details, why it matters, and then the model starts to apply the principles and the calculations, and the final answer is 70 miles per hour. For the seventh type, we have the chain of thoughts or CoT prompting. This technique guides the AI model through a logical reasoning path, encouraging it to explain the process step by step to reach a conclusion. Like for example, when we are in a test, the professor will oblige us to give all the intermediate steps that leads to the solution. Here I have the same prompt as the step back technique, but it is prefixed with solve this problem step by step, and this is to follow the chain of thoughts method. As you could see, first I have step 1 to understand what is the average speed, then step 2 addition of distances, step 3 is the time, and step 4 the calculation, and the final answer is the same as the last one, which is 70 miles per hour. And I guess that's it. Mastering these 7 techniques will undoubtedly elevate your interactions with AI models. Of course, I didn't cover all of the techniques provided in the Google latest research. I will leave a link to this white paper in the description, of course, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, and see you in the next video.